Listen, I know you have been looking for a way to catch spikes successfully, but your answer is yes. Stick with me on this video. I'm going to show you how to catch spike on Crash and Boom successfully. I mean successfully. With this video, you are going to learn all you need to know on how to catch spikes on Crash and Boom. And the strategy I'm going to teach you works for all Crash and Booms. So I'm going to show you how you can compare indicators and price action to catch spike using your indicators and price action to catch spike on failing strategy. So don't skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch it from the beginning to the end for full understanding. And guys, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The reason for turning on the notification bell is so you'll be notified when we drop new strategies, so you won't miss out. And like this video and share it to your friends who also want to trade Crash and Boom. What's up guys, welcome once again to Forex Success. As you all know, we are traders and we give you best strategies to make profits trading Crash and Boom volatilities and stop index. Exactly. So guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, so guys, as you all know, I believe most of you know this strategy for Crash and Boom spike catching strategy. So guys, you can see the link to open a deriv account as the description below. If you don't have a deriv account, simply click on that link and open an account so you can trade Crash and Boom with us. So guys, you can see the strategy is doing fine. It's working for Crash and Boom. Exactly, it's working fine. So look at my analysis guys. Let me just show you how I place this trade for the Boom 500. First of all, I saw the fact, okay, look at what I did. First of all, I went to the 1 hour time frame and I looked at it and I noticed you can see I noticed a support level at this point. This is a support level. This is a support. This one, it's a support level. You can see another spike again. Guys, we are pulling way to the top. So this is the support level and this is a previous resistance which is now support. So guys, I marked this point. I'm supposed to be doing this on my system, but let me just use the phone to show you. So I marked this point as a support level, number one support level. You can see that. And then guys, please watch this video carefully. You have a lot to grab from this. You have a lot to grab from this. So the next support level again that I was looking at for, let me show you. It's not that. Yeah, this. So this is the next support level that I was looking at for. Guys, you can learn a lot from this. So this is it. That was the first support level and the second support level. So automatically the gap between these two support level is known as support zone. So that is the support zone from the 1 hour time frame. Understanding this is that the reason for the support level is that I know that the market will definitely get to this support zone, and before breaking it, it's going to bounce back. Yeah, a retracement. From that retracement I can catch spikes. You understand guys? So I don't know how long this retracement is going to be, or it's going to be a reversal. I don't know, but I will just be observing the market to know. But my trade is still on. You can see. So the moment I saw this resistance, this support level, so I was watching the market. I had to make sure that. Then I went to the 30-minute time frame. Same thing I was looking at. Look, you can see it very clear here as the support and this. So I know that before this market will break through this point, it will definitely bounce back. It will definitely bounce back either as a retracement or as a reversal. I hope you understand this, guys. So I placed a buy at this point and then made my stop loss to be at this point. Listen, I will show you how I got this entry for the buy. I made my stop loss to be below the support level. Below the support level. That was my stop loss. Okay, so back to the trade. I went again to the 15-minute time frame, still on it. I checked it, and then look, still on the 15-minute time frame, our support level and our support level again, support zone. So my stop loss, it's below it. You can see that, guys. So if the market, if this support level can't hold back the market, if it can make the market bounce, then this one will definitely make it bounce. If it doesn't, then this one will definitely make it bounce. But if it doesn't, then it will hit my stop loss. Then I'm done. Okay, I went to the 5-minute time frame, where I also checked and I saw same analysis. Look, 5-minute time frame, I had to go down and trace it towards that area. Okay, this is it. So for the 5-minute time frame, same supports, you can see, guys, same supports and this, yeah, same support and this as the support. So if this can't hold the market back, then this will. Then if it doesn't, then it hits my stop loss. You can see the trade, guys. So what I now did to get my entry was that I went to the 1-minute time frame using our crash and boom strategy to catch spike to get an entry. This is boom 500. So getting an entry, I wait for the red moving average, this red moving average, to cross below this green line at the oversold level. Watch that, guys. At the oversold level, you can see. Okay, I waited for it to cross below it at the oversold level, which is from below this 100 is the oversold. So as soon as it crossed below, I placed an entry. Already I've confirmed from the 1 hour, the 30-minute, 15-minute and 5-minute that I'm going to get a buy. So I got the perfect entry with the 1-minute time frame. Look at my entry. It went down, it made a baby spike and then continued its downtrend. Then boom, it's a spike, another spike. So guys, I'm showing you this stuff. So as soon as I got this first spike, I waited it because it wasn't even up to my entry. I waited, and again another spike, giving me a black bar which indicates another spike. So I waited, I got another spike. Yes, guys, as you can see, I waited, I got another spike, a black bar again, another spike, a black bar. I'm waiting for another spike. So what I'm going to do now is that I'll watch out for the market. Exactly. So as you can see, this is another resistance level, but the market broke through it. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it. So definitely I'll be setting my take profit to be around this point if the spike doesn't continue. So this is how I traded my boom 500. You can see it's still on profit for the boom 500, guys. So I hope you understand this. I'll show you how to set the indicators. It's just simply 5 indicators, guys. 5 indicators. The first is the moving average. You can check down the video on the link on the description below, how to trade Crashandboom. You get the complete parameters for the strategy. So this is the moving average, period 21, shift 0, exponential, method exponential, apply to close. The style is 4 pixel. You can use the color red, then you click done. So guys, what you need to understand is that, okay, you can just simply take a screenshot in order for you to get the parameters. As I click on it, you can take a screenshot. This is the average directional movement, which the period is 50, the style 2 pixel, the positive DI 2 pixel green, the negative DI 2 pixel is the color of your screen. Then you click done. The next indicator, guys, is the commodity channel index. Period 14 apply to typical price. The star is 2 pixels. You can use this same color so you can understand it better. The levels -100 and +100, which serves as the overbought and oversold level. That's this point, oversold and overbought level. Yeah. So the next indicator, okay, I think we got another spike again for boom 500. The next indicator is the moving average. Period 10 shift 0 method simple apply to close. The star 4 pixel. You can use color red as well. Then you click done. You can see. So the last indicator is the market facilitation index. The volume tick, line width 4 pixel. The MFI up green, MFI down black, MFI up black, MFI down for the volume up green. You click done just as you see on my screen. Take a screenshot, guys, so you can set it on your own. Click done. So okay, we got another spike for boom 500. Remember, guys, I told you that if it doesn't close, if it doesn't spike before it gets to this point, I'm going to take profit. So it's still on. You can see profit of $10 using this crash and boom strategy. Just very simple, guys. All you need to do is understand it. Okay, for the boom 1000, another spike. You can see more and more spike on this strategy. So guys, this is a very powerful strategy for crash and boom. As you can see, very powerful strategy for crash and boom, and we'll make money on this strategy. Man, guys, this video is already 10 minutes right now. So after watching this video, click on the channel and then you see our videos. Guys, you see our videos, then you can watch the video on how I entered this boom 1000 trade. Yeah, I'm not going to add it to this video because it's going to be too long. So guys, make sure after this video you check out how and why I traded boom 1000 that is giving us this profit now. Guys, if you are using the lot size of 2, you are making $80, and if you are using a lot size of 20, you are making $800 on a single trade, depend on your account size. You can see. So that's how we make money, guys, trading. Watch out this, watch out. You see this, guys, it's still on profit. It just made a spike. So I'm going to be showing you this video on the next video, guys. On the next video, make sure you click on the channel and watch this video. Okay, thank you once again, guys, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and like the subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so you will be notified when I drop a new video. So thank you once again, guys. Stay tuned.